Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to open applications in a floating window on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the application that we want to put into the floating window mode, and not applications support this feature, but for example we can use our browser now to put it into the floating mode. We're gonna have to either drag it up and then drag it to this icon to put it into the floating window. Then we can tap on this icon and move the application by dragging this blue bar on top of it. We can minimize the application by tapping the minus icon, and then we can get it back on the screen. We can put it into full screen mode by tapping right here. And now the other way to put your application into floating window is by opening the Recent tab, then tapping this three-dot icon in the top right corner of your window and selecting Mini. And this will also open your app in a full window. We can also drag the sides and the corners to resize the window. And to close it, just tap this X icon in the top right corner of the screen. And this way you can open up to 3 applications on your screen. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.